Can we have a real talk? I used to think real estate would be like those shows. You know the ones: three houses, a latte, and a deal over brunch. Turns out, no one shows the other part. The part where you're waking up wondering where your next lead's coming from. Here's what I wish someone had told me on day one. This job will break you if you treat it like a side hustle. I'm not saying part-timers can't win, I've seen them do it. But every one of them worked their tail off because real estate doesn't care how many hours you have. It cares how many dials, how many convos, how much consistency you bring every damn day. And prospecting, it's not optional. It's the lifeline. Most agents don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're listening to the wrong people, chasing shiny objects, posting reels instead of picking up the phone. So, yeah, I'm blunt, but only because I've been there. And that's exactly what I write about in Ask 8, the site you're on. The unfiltered, in the trenches stuff I wish someone had handed me when I started PS. If you're tired of fluff and want real strategies that actually move the needle, plus a few hard-won lessons I paid for so you don't have to, join the newsletter here. And if you're serious about building a real plan with real results, book a session with me. We'll talk like pros. No pressure, just strategy. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This website newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant. I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe today to earn tomorrow. All the best to your success.